the Earth is almost entirely solar-powered today.
The world could be powered many times over by solar if you had enough battery capacity to pair it with it.
Musk reveals cheap energy, only $2.21, can be used continuously for 50 years in Texas. Solar power has grown 123 times in Texas over the last decade. Texas is a leading state in solar power in the United States, and the state's solar capacity has increased considerably in the last year alone, with 7,352 megawatts of new solar energy works installed, significantly outpacing California, which installed only 2,697 megawatts. Of course, Tesla is also present in this field, and their solar products such as solar panel roofs, etc., are slowly being chosen by many Texans. So what makes Tesla's solar products competitive with other huge companies? Tesla is one of the largest solar installers in the United States and has used more than 430,000 solar systems across the country. The company provides 4 sizes of solar panel installations, measured in kilowatts, that are 4.8, 9.6, 14.4, and the largest at 19.2 kilowatt hours. One very significant reason why Tesla solar products are chosen by so many customers is the low installation cost. Musk asserted Tesla solar panels are now 30% cheaper than the USA average. It has managed to lower the price per watt, but how can Tesla do that? Well, it's simple. Tesla's strategy is to simply eliminate the soft costs of installing solar infrastructure for its customers. Soft costs include permits, inspections, and hiring salespeople. For example, if a family lives in an average 1,500 square foot house, they would likely need a Tesla 9.6 kilowatt system. They will not have to pay a soft cost of up to $8,160 to the solar panel supplier. This assists the customers in saving a lot of money, which could come out to around $10,000. Additionally, customers will only pay about $2.21 per watt for Tesla solar panels before the federal solar tax credit, but the price can vary depending on where they live. Anywhere from $2 per watt to $2.51 per watt. Tesla prices are cheaper than the national average cost of residential solar. Accordingly, as per some sources, the average cost of residential solar in the United States in 2021 was $3.28 per watt. Tesla has made buying solar panels as uncomplicated as buying a new shirt by offering standardized solar system sizes such as small, medium, large, and extra large. Tesla's easy ordering process is one of the reasons they have such low prices. Their brand name recognition aids a lot too. Tesla doesn't have to do a lot of work to get people to visit their website. People are familiar with Tesla, so they go right to it. This plus the fact that their ordering process is completely online, and they only offer 4 standard system sizes, eliminating a ton of overhead costs that many other solar companies face. The Tesla panels have more area, which means more solar cells can fit in the frame, and as a result, the power of the solar panels increases. Tesla's warranty says that their panels are guaranteed to work at 80 capacity for at least 25 years. This is a great product warranty compared to the industry standard of 12 years. According to some experts, if customers regularly maintain the solar panels of Tesla continuously, the lifespan of these solar panels can be up to 50 years. Tesla's solar panels have peak efficiency ratings ranging from 19.3% to 20.6%, and when compared to other residential panels, it's even better. Additionally, Tesla boasts of its elegant design and high-performance solar products. One of the biggest advantages of a Tesla solar panel system is the aesthetic appeal. Not with panels, but with storage, their electric wall battery continues to be one of the best choices in the industry, to the point that other greatest solar companies offer the electric wall with their installations. The electric capacity of the Powerwall is up to 13.5 kilowatt hours. Powerwall is charged by solar during the day when solar panels are producing more electricity than the home is consuming. Tesla says the Powerwalls have the capacity to power most appliances of larger 240-volt appliances, such as air conditioners and clothes dryers. They can need more batteries. 13.5 kilowatt hours runtime depends on how much power you use, but if you avoid using energy-intensive appliances like washers, dryers, and air conditioners, it should be a couple of days at least. Even then, Powerwall can continuously provide 5 to 7 kilowatts of energy for a short peak. The Powerwall warranty guarantees that the battery will maintain at least 70% of its rated capacity of 10 years. Another significant hardware from Tesla's solar energy system is the Tesla solar inverter, which converts direct current that your panel produces into alternating currents that your house can utilize. According to the company, an important point here is efficiency. Tesla's solar inverter works with an efficiency of 97.5 that comes with a guarantee of 12.5 years. In addition, the Tesla solar tiles are small-scale solar panels, and the panels are in the shape of a typical roof shingle. Tesla solar roof tiles replace your existing roof and are permanently attached to the roof of a house. Solar shingles work in the same way as a solar panel that utilizes a photovoltaic system to produce solar power. Solar roof tiles are durable, strong, and engineered for all-weather protection. Additionally, the Tesla Gateway monitoring system keeps track of the performance of your solar power system when everything is up and running. Users can monitor it all from the Tesla app. Through the app, users can monitor their Powerwall. They can also customize how it works. So how much do Tesla solar panels cost? Tesla solar panels range in price from $9,600 to $50.48 before incentives, depending on which system size is ideal for your home or business. If you want to add energy storage to your system, each Tesla Powerwall will cost you an additional $11,000 before incentives, and eventually Tesla has also begun implementing solar panel supply projects in the state of Texas. Tesla wants to provide energy directly to Texas households. Its new subsidiary Tesla Energy Ventures submitted an application with the Public Utility Commission of Texas on August 16 last year to become a retail electricity provider. Tesla was later approved to be an energy distributor in the state of Texas. The move is part of CEO Elon Musk's vision for Tesla Energy to become a global distributed utility, an endeavor that could even outgrow the company's automotive business. Not only that, earlier this year Tesla revealed its new giant megapack battery project in Texas in a new video. It's one of the largest yet. Texas is having to rethink its electric grid after bad weather last winter put so much pressure on the grid that it caused it to the brink of failure. Consequently, the strain in many regions caused rolling blackouts, and many people are rethinking their energy situation. Residential energy storage has gained popularity among Texas homeowners since the crisis, as they don't want to be too dependent on the grid. Tesla comprehended the sentiment of all the people of Texas, and they made the right decision. The company shared in Arlington, Texas, an energy storage project was intended to offer support of substantial backup to the grid. This resulted in the installation of 81 mega Tesla packs, which provide greater protection against payments and reduces community dependency on fossil fuels. Plus, Tesla has recently filed to change the rules for grid operators in Texas to enable anyone with solar and batteries, including residential homeowners, to get involved in the state's energy market, and that's it.